Hi everyone. This is the video for the Hallelujah chorus, the soprano recorder part. So before we get started on this, just a couple of notes. Again, we have the high E, which is going to be unfamiliar to our fourth graders at this point, and that is in the top space right above the high D. And you are going to play that, you're going to have all your fingers down on your left hand, including your thumb, and then 2 fingers on the right hand. What you're going to do with your thumb is you're going to take it and just leave a sliver of space. We call that half holding. So you're covering all the way for the low E, and the only difference between that and the high E is that you are lifting off a little bit on the thumb there to get that high E. So again, remember, face in the space, that means that the lowest space is F and then A, C, E as we go up. So that can help you to remember too. So when you go to play that high E, just like low E, thumb off a little bit on the back, leaving a sliver of space. Sorry, my recorder's at a little bit of a weird angle because I want to make sure you can see my fingers. So that actually started low and then went high. It should just sound like this. There's your high E. And then we have a high F sharp above that. That sits on the top line of the treble clef. We know it's an F sharp and not a regular F because the key signature tells us so. So we have 2 sharps in this song. All of the F's are sharp and all of the C's are sharp, and I'll get there in just a minute too because you do have C's as well. So that tells us for the whole song that that's the case. 1 4 time, so 4 beats per measure, quarter note gets the beat. And so to play that high F sharp, what you're going to do, which again is on the top line, you're going to have your 3 fingers down on your left hand, thumb covering partway on the back, and then just your second finger on your right hand. And that sounds like this. And there it is. On the first line, in the last measure of the first line, you're going to have C sharp. So it looks like a C, but because we have the sharp at the beginning, we're going to need to do something different. So to play a C sharp, it's just 2 fingers down and your thumb is off the back. You certainly don't want to pull your thumb this far off the back. I'm just doing that to illustrate for now. It's going to sound like this. And so there you have it. I'm going to start by playing this slowly. Okay, so here's the slow version. So you can kind of watch what I do. And so this all sits pretty high for your recorder, so you want to make sure you're using adequate air pressure so that it comes out clearly. Okay, so now up to speed. Here we go. And I apologize for the squeaks. It's a little bit late. I'm a little bit tired, but I hope this has been helpful for you. And good luck with learning the Hallelujah chorus.